Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to get different cells in Monopoly Go. Cells are a key element in the game and collecting them will give you an advantage as you move through different levels and challenges. So let's get started. To get different cells in Monopoly Go, you will need to participate in various in-game activities like completing tasks and challenges. You can also earn cells by collecting rewards from treasure chests and passing through certain spots on the board. Another way is to unlock them by reaching new levels or completing specific objectives tied to your current progress. Keep an eye out for special events too, as they often offer sales as rewards. Remember, sales provide important benefits, so try to collect as many as you can. They'll help you stay protected and move forward more easily in the game. So keep playing, complete those tasks, and watch your collection grow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.